stash update. That boy DJ was calling me out. He said I ain't posted no stash in like 3 weeks, and he said that I need to step my game up. So you know I had to do it. Step my game up. That's what I went and did. I went and got some new stuff today. Nothing but exclusives in here. Y'all gonna be really excited to see what I got today. But let's go ahead and get it, y'all. Woo! Everybody make some noise right there. I'm just messing with y'all. Got this. I went to the fireworks store. You know, there's nothing like going to the fireworks store and buying some, you know, random shit. You don't even know what you're getting. You just like, throw that in the cart. But yeah, I went and got these. My girl likes to hold these with the kids. You know, the kids love holding fireworks, and them little Roman candles, they just don't do it. You know, you only get like 5-6 shots, but this one right here comes with 666 shots. They were running a deal, so it was 3 for $60, so basically $20 each, which is pretty cool. I like these ones because it comes with like this little, you can hold it like that, like bah, 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 bah. You know, that's just pretty cool. But yeah, the kids gonna have hella fun with this. And then we got 3 of them. I like all fireworks, man. There's no fucking firework I don't like. Like, every single firework is a cool firework. If you can get it, if it has a fuse, it's good. But yeah, we got 3 of these bad boys. They pretty heavy too. Super heavy. I kind of want to take it out and see what it looks like. Oh, you can kind of see it right there. It has a bunch of little baby Roman candles in there. And then, oh, I thought I was getting canister shells. Let me see. I thought I was getting canister shell parachutes, but I didn't read it. I just threw it in the cart, obviously, like an idiot. That's what consumers do, you know. But it says, a daytime giant parachute tube with a cool soldier. So, open it up. It comes with 2 of these like single shots. And I'm hoping it's really big or something. But that's cool. I might go back and grab that daytime parachute cake, because you know all the kids are on the fort. They love chasing the parachute, so I got this one. It's pretty cool. And then, which is my favorite, boom! These are super cool. I had seen the Kong crowns, but it's basically the same thing. I think Kong crowns last a little bit longer, but I don't know. These are basically the same thing. And these are super sick. Like, look at this, man. So beautiful. We got all the colors. We got, I don't even know what this is. Pink. Got green. Look at this. This is fucking hard, man. Imagine fucking taking a picture holding one of these. Super clean. Got orange. Comes with yellow. This is probably my favorite right here. The red. That looks sick. And the blue. The blue is nice. Super cool. But yeah, man. We got some goodies, man. This is, I seen a bunch of y'all got them little goodie boxes. Got little goodie boxes, so I decided to make me one. Got this right here, purple. But I haven't really bought any consumer stuff lately. This is like the first haul that I bought, and probably the last one, man. There's a little load right here. Y'all gonna see it, man. And I'll show y'all the receipts at the end too. And then we got, boom, some Noisy Boys. I always get these. These are really good for like time-consuming fireworks. These little things called Noisy Boys, they last 3 minutes, and it's like a crackling ball that just lasts forever. Probably my favorite little novelty. Super cool. I like these. But I think it was like $4 for a pack. And then we got Monster Snaps, which is crazy because I've never lit snaps like that aren't in the little white bag. Wait, hold up, pause. That sounds like some drugs. But yeah, these are like the Monster Snaps. So they're like little firecrackers. I've never actually lit this before, so I'll probably do a demo on this itself just because. Get my reaction to it. But yeah, I was gonna grab a whole case, but I'm gonna see how loud they are, and then I might grab the case. And then we got probably the coolest fountain I could find. I was in there just trying to find really cool fountains, and I'd say this is probably the coolest one I found. Overlord Burger. Super cool, by Bright Star Fireworks. Look at this, man. This is dope. Like, come on now. Got the Krabby Patty. That's what it should have been named, the Krabby Patty Fountain. This is awesome. It has a pretty good performance. Nothing crazy, but I just love the packaging, man. It sold me for sure. Okay, we got. Oh, and then I went and asked for a fuse. And at the store, I already have fuse that it's being shipped, but I was like, man, I need some fuse. I'm gonna see if they bought some or if they have some. And the guy was like, yeah, this is the fuse now. And I was like, what you mean? That's a fountain. And he was like, no, this is how they sell this is how they have to sell fuse now for consumers. Which I was like, what the fuck? But look, and it's just fuse. You can literally, or you can light this off as a cake, as a fountain. But look, it's literally fuse. And this is technically, she said this is the 12 seconds a foot, so basically pink fuse. And then they had 30 seconds a foot, which is the Canon fuse. But I don't know if I'm gonna trust this. I probably won't really. I'll probably just waste this. I'm not gonna do this for my show. I'm gonna use the actual like pink fuse. But you know, I'm gonna burn some shells with these fuses. And then, like I said, I was in the store and I was looking for the coolest looking fountains, and you're gonna tell me this isn't one of the coolest ones? Look at that. Nuclear physics. That's hard, bruh. That is cool. They had another one, but man, they wanted way too much. I think this was like 15 bucks. But just look, that's cool. Super nice. Man. And then, I don't know about y'all other pyros. You know, I hear a lot of y'all talking about this cake, that cake, this cake. But I don't know, man. Y'all ain't got no cake after y'all. That's just what I'm saying. That's just what I'm saying. Y'all ain't got no cake named after you. The only one I know is Cody B. And they got the flex. These cakes are actually really good. The Cool Kid brand, or Bright Star, the Cool Kid series, all of them are good. The Go and I forgot the other names, but this is really good. The performance on these are excellent. But man, you trying to tell me they didn't make this for me? Let me rub that in y'all's face. Come on, I don't see none of y'all's names on a cake. Just saying, just to flex for y'all. See? Okay. And the last thing we have are these goodie bags. It's called a grab bag. I literally don't know what's inside of here, but all it says contains cosmetically damaged or individual pieced items. Interesting. I didn't read that at the store. But these were $2. You can't beat that. Well, let me take that back. I gotta see what's in here first. But $2. I thought that was pretty cool. It's like a little mystery box. You know, see what you're gonna get, and we're gonna open it up. Oh, we got some confetti birthday cake sparklers. That's pretty cool. And we got the jumbo crackling. So these aren't firecrackers, these are crackling balls, I think. Or crackling firecrackers. And then we got the snakes. What y'all know about that? Snakes and sparklers, bruh. The classics. Snakes and sparklers, my guy. You cannot go wrong with that. I did think it was overpriced. $2 fucking, and I didn't get shit. Jade flower. And that's probably why it's in there, because it's smashed. That was pretty cool. Let's see what else. And we got another one. Grab bag. Let's go. I was gonna grab all of them, but I was like, nah, that's OD. Oh, pull out the biggest item. Cloud dragon. And it's broken just like that. And I'm assuming this is just a fountain from Big Fireworks. And then we got another pack of birthday candles. So if it's your birthday, let me know and I'm gonna put this on the cake for you. And we got the red snaps by Kingbird. Red cracker snaps, actually. Let's see what these look like. Oh, so it's basically the same thing as the other one. And we're gonna test those out. See what they're hitting on. And the last but not least, the magic whip. I don't know what this does, but I think it just spins in circles. I think it spins, or I don't know. It says emits crackling sparks. Yep. And that was the haul. Get everything situated. With these. This cost $199, man. That's insane. I didn't even get anything. They freaking taxed me so bad. Like, this is not even, I'd say like $100. Not even. I feel like this is like $50. But yeah, you know how it goes whenever you shop with freaking retail stuff. But yeah. Hopefully I didn't let y'all down on this new show day. Oh man, I'm gonna do another one because I still have a lot of other little kid stuff that I need to buy, and I'll probably do another video on that. Let's go. Y'all have a good one. Y'all let me know what y'all y'all stash looks like for the consumer side of it and not just the OLs. I like watching all of the stash updates, but none of y'all can mess with me until y'all have a cake named after y'all. So